Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Today, we're going to be talking about the different positions and their roles in baseball. You have your pitcher, your catcher, your infielders and outfielders. Well, they all have a different role on defense that makes a defense really good in baseball. So we have our players who play on the dirt of the field, which are the players in the infield. And the outfielders are the players who play on the far side of the grass. The pitcher is the player who stands on the mound and tries to strike the batters out. In the infield, you have the first,
just out of the reach of Chris.
the second,
Play and watch how far he goes. You gotta be kidding me.
and third baseman.
Brought in to be the backup. Chopper right down the third base line, a fair ball. Beltre, a great play to get the out at first.
As well as the shortstop. The goal of the shortstop is to keep the ball from getting to the outfield when the ground ball is hit. And he's usually in between the second and third baseman. And you have the outfielder, who are typically some of the fastest and most athletic people on the field, because they have to be able to cover a lot of the field when somebody hits it far out. Sometimes they have to be able to run all the way back into the wall